Hey everyone, welcome back. You know I love to do at-home beauty hacks to try and save money, and today we are cutting our own hair. I found a Brad Mondo video years ago that I've been following, and today we're doing a more updated style for a butterfly cut. We're gonna try it together. I'm really looking forward to it. For the butterfly cut, you need to make sure your hair is wet. So I washed my hair already. It's starting to dry, so I'm gonna dampen it more because you wanna be precise and you don't wanna do that dry. You also need 2 hair ties. You need one of these combs, and you need nice scissors. These are not shears, but they are like $25 scissors. So first things first, I'm gonna go make sure my hair is wet and then we'll come back. Like in other Brad Mondo videos, you wanna find the apex of your head. So you do that by laying this down and seeing where it falls. So really like here, then you comb down behind your ears. Sure. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna wanna take your time and comb all of this forward. We're gonna be pushing that hair back, and then we're gonna tie it in a unicorn looking ponytail in the front. This rattiness, I can't wait to cut this. And at this point you wanna get your comb and make sure there are really no lumps and bumps. And it's actually kind of hard to comb this when it's ratty and tangled. He is very adamant, no lumps and bumps.
No lumps and bumps.
Apparently that's a big deal, and you're gonna end up tying it right here, like a unicorn. Okay, this is a judgment-free zone. At this point, we now want to kind of do the same thing, but we're gonna end up right here, like at the crown of your head. So I'm gonna start with a brush and then end with a comb. My hairdresser would kill me for doing this, but what she doesn't know won't hurt her. Okay. It's tangled. It's okay, we're gonna be cutting that out now. Where's my comb? It's on the floor, of course. So he says, make sure you cut at the angle that you tied the ponytail in. We tied it in like here, so let's keep going. You want to cut off enough hair so it's significant, because if you just do a little trim, you're not gonna be able to tell. We're gonna be bold together. Let's brush it. My hair is drying. We need to move quickly. Dear God. Let's start with like that much. Oh my God. I'm scared. Let's straighten it and then we'll chop cut it, if that's what it's called. Let's do this. We started with like 3 to 4 inches. Look at all these split ends. Let me just cut these while I'm here. Wow, okay, the first cut's done. So in the back, you also want to pull forward. So we are going to brush it out as much as possible and then take off the same amount, 3 to 4 inches. And I know when this comes down from the other videos I've seen, we're gonna have to do some touching up. Oh boy. We really just like eyeballed that. I have no idea what those lengths are like, but we will see when we take it down. Now we're just cleaning it up. You know, sometimes I think Brad Mondo does these tutorials just so he can make fun of us. Cute. Okay, let's take it down. That looks good. Honestly, I already want to take off more. See, you can take off more. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, so we kept the length, amazingly. And honestly, the layers are not like, that actually looks pretty good. Wow, I am so happy with this. Oh my God. Okay, so you can see kind of a sharp like change right there. So maybe this. Now I'm just adding more face framing layers. Look at this. I cannot wait to blow dry this and see how it looks. I have no idea what it looks like in the back, but the front is amazing. I may even chop off more here. Okay, let's look at it from behind. Honestly, this looks great. Okay, let's blow dry and see what the end result looks like. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, look at this. It turned out so good. And I kept my length while adding a bunch of layers. And like, check out the front here. Everything is pretty even. I am so happy with this. Thank you guys for joining today. That was honestly way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I am so happy with the end result, so definitely gonna be trying that again when my hair needs it. So anyway, thank you, Brad Mondo, for your amazing tutorials. Next time we're gonna be trying out some of my TikTok skincare favorites. But yeah, thank you again and see you next time.